Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-usapan natin kung paano nga ba ako nakakakuha ng royal equipment by just AFK grinding. Now, this question was being asked in one of the comments, no? Kung paano ako nakakakuha ng royal equipment by just AFK grinding. Kasi wala naman guys dito sa mob index, no? Kung mapapansin niyo dito sa monster index, wala ditong drop rate na kung saan makakakuha kayo ng royal equipment. But to also address the question and answer the question about this, okay, yung mga may makikita nyo dito is gonna be typically yung mga MVP. Pero dun sa mga normal mobs, wala talaga siya. Okay, even sa mga minis, wala din. So, to answer this question and to address the confusion, usually guys, kapag nag-AFK grind kasi ako, naka-activate si Monster Extermination and si Healthy Combat. Now, dito sa Field Combat guys, you will be able to actually get at least 3,600 points, okay, that you can use to have a better rewards rate, okay? But basically, dito sa Monster Extermination, nagkakaroon ng difference. Why? Kasi dito sa Monster Extermination, kahit saang mob kayo mag-farm, meron at meron chance kayong makakuha ng royal equipment, depende sa level. So, I assume na level 40 and up, yung merong drop rate ng royal equipment. Okay? Kasi yung mga royal equipment na nakukuha ko sa idle farming is usually sa mga level 55 spot na. Katulad ng nakaraan, no? Nagpapalevel ako sa ibang server which is Valhalla and nakakuha tayo doon ng royal na Gatling gun. Okay? And maraming nagtatanong and syempre marami ding nako-confuse bakit may drop na ganon doon sa mob na yun, sa Skeleton Archer guys. So dito, pakita na lang din natin for transparency. Now, dito sa Monster Index, kapag sinearch nyo si Skeleton Archer, wala siyang drop rate na ganun. Alright, so ito yan, si Archer Skeleton. So, dito ako nagpa-farm. So, kung mapapansin nyo, sa drop rate wala. Pero ang pinaka-main goal ko kasi dito is to get the Archer Skeleton card. However, it just so happen na naka-activate din si Monster Extermination natin. Meron tayong 600 points. So, by the time na inopen ko yung account ko, meron ako nakitang royal equipment doon. And yun yung possibility dito. Kasi yun yung main rewards na binibigay ni Monster Extermination. Okay? So, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng understanding and tatanggal na rin yung confusion nyo on how I was able to acquire it. Okay? Hindi po siya galing sa bug. Okay? Again, part siya ng mechanics ng Monster Extermination. So, yun na guys. I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. And alam nyo na guys, this is BM again. Peace out.